5. Tip number 5 is finding a bathroom. Is it going? God, what the heck?
Okay, it's recording.
Alright, okay. I'll just have to cut out whatever I don't get.
Oh my god, we have to cut that out. No.
Tip number 2. Oh, is it recording?
I stopped the recording for the first one.
Oh, is it
Because.
now?
No, it's just recording now.
So it's recording.
Yeah.
Tip number 2. To survive in the rainforest, you need to hydrate yourself. Find the nearest dishwasher. Tip number 2. To
I'm gonna
survive in the
start this.
rainforest, you must hydrate yourself. To find the Tip number 2. To survive in the rainforest, you must hydrate yourself. Find the nearest dishwasher. Did it again! Dishwasher. Dishwasher.
Dishwasher.
Dishwasher. Tip number 2.
Yasser.
Okay.
And just hold your hand up as high as you can.
As high as you can and get
As high as you
as
can.
high now you just see like a random hand. There you go.
So then stand
Yeah, I can see it. I can see it. Yeah, I see it.
Alright, okay, good.
So he's like, no one. Tip number 1.
Alright, okay, when I say
can't
tip
go
number 5,
slow.
just walk through like that with your hand up as high as you can, okay?
Okay. Just walk by like okay.
Until we say
Tell
number
Ibrahim
5.
countdown.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Bathrooms.
Go.
Tip number 5, too early. How hard it is this? What is
You have to be quiet.
No, it's okay. I done it.
Well, yeah. Well, we're doing the actual thing.
Don't read
What was
the
that,
third
tip number
fourth
4?
one. This is tip number 4. Yeah.
Nadim, better calculate. I'm gonna
25 minutes and 34 seconds.
1 was the
How?
first one. 2 was the dishwasher. 3 was the fridge. 4 is the one
Okay.
you're doing right
Don't
now.
read
Don't
the
read the second one. Just like tip number. Tip number 4.
Nadim,
And then never look at it.
Because
That's
I'm
what you
gonna
should
throwing
do.
it.
Never look at the card. Just like
No,
tip
just add
number
some of them to make it funner.
Alright.
Yeah.